This is what it sounds like. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox this vinyl record player from 1x1 that has stereo speakers. I feel like it's a great set for beginners. I'm going to show you how to set it up correctly, and you will hear some audio samples from a high-end Sony recorder. The input and the bass radiator in the back. It comes with a lot of accessories. The counterweight adapter, USB cable, power adapter, which is rated at 15 volts, 2.4 amps. It has a built-in amplifier, therefore the power requirement is higher than the rest of the turntables I've tested. The speaker wires, 3.5 to RCA cables, a key for mounting that belt, the belt. Quick start guide and user manual, piece of weight for anti-skating. Okay, let's quickly set it up. The right speaker, the left speaker, red to red, black to black. It has 3 rubber cushions. The cable is long enough to get 8 feet of coverage from the left edge to the right edge of the speaker. Power on-off switch, speaker connection, DC 15 volts input, USB output, phono or line selection, RCA outputs, and a ground connection. Let's install the belt. It should not be twisted. And optionally, we can use this key to make some tiny adjustments. Rotate it 10 times according to the user manual. The counterweight. Put this thing forward to remove the protector. This step is crucial. We have to make sure this counterweight is adjusted correctly so this arm is perfectly balanced. Then return to its position. Mark as 0. Make sure this part still does not move. Then rotate it counterclockwise for 1.5 grams tracking force. The anti-skating tracking force adjustments. It should look like this. It's not mentioned in the user manual, but I think it is very important that we take a flathead screwdriver and secure the knob in there to make sure this counterweight no longer moves after the balance has been done. The following audio will be recorded using this high-end Sony recorder. This is what it sounds like. Excellent separation of left and right channel. The power consumption is 2.4 watts, 2.5. If you want to change track, raise the arm, push it to the next song, and slowly put it back by using that lever.
I yell and scream and tell them why it wasn't coming on film.
Controls are pretty simple, done by 4 buttons. There's a 33 to 45 RPM selection. Normally we would use 33. The volume and adjustment goes pretty loud. The mode selection to switch to the Bluetooth connection. If I have a Bluetooth speaker connected, then I should be able to play the music wirelessly. Play and pause button.